What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. Today we're going to take a look at the TORRAS Ostand power bank. We're going to do that next on Geekazine. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. Think Magazine put in a geek, and today we're going to unbox this right here. This is the TORRAS Ostand power bank. Now I've reviewed some TORRAS products before, including one that's an actual 3-in-1 for your nightstand. It's portable, so you can take it with you if you wanted to. And of course it charges your watch and your phone and your earpods. This is a simple one device charger, so it's going to charge your phone. Any phone that has Magsafe Qi charging, I suppose you could lay it flat and then put a phone on it and let it charge from there. But with the Magsafe, you can actually clip it onto the back of the phone and be able to walk around with it while it's charging. 10,000 milliamps inside, so that means that you should be able to charge, depending on which phone you have, you should be able to charge a iPhone at least 1 to 2 times, maybe even more. And then of course it's also got a convenient little ring stand that is very positional, so you can set it up, put it on a table, watch a movie, and keep your phone charged as well. Before we get started, I do have to let you know that TORRAS did send the product for the review. They are not sponsoring this video, and of course all opinions are of Geekazine. You can go over to geekazine.com/review to find out all about that. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. It's fairly straightforward on the unboxing here. So we just basically pull this tab up and then pull this out right here. Inside, there we go. We have a little bit of extra plastic here, so we'll pop that open, set that off to the side. This is the charger right here. We do have some instructions, a little instruction manual right here, how to take care of your charger. And then we have a little case, and inside this case, it's not really a case, it's kind of an insert. Inside here, we do have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So keep that in mind. This is a USB-C powered charger. And of course, the C to C cable means that if you have a USB-A, you'll need to get some sort of adapter for that. So with that said and with that done, let's take a look at the charger itself. So what we got right here is the charger. On this side, this is the Qi charging, the magnetic charger. So you can take your phone and you can put it right there. As you can see, nice and magnetic, and set up from there. Inside here, we do have the ring, so you can set that up. You can turn that around, so you can go horizontal, you can go vertical, or whatever, and then of course it comes right back here. On the side, we have the power button, so if we hold it down, it looks like we've got a little bit of charge on here, couple bars. So that means that we can do a little bit of charging. The phone did turn on when I popped that in. There's nothing else on the charger here. Now, one thing I'm noticing on first open here is that it's a fairly solid case. Of course, there's a 10,000 milliamp battery in here. You can fly with this battery, just so you know. So this is perfect for flight. So let's go ahead. We've got our iPhone 12 here. Let's go ahead and pop that on, and we will put this back down. And we did see charge. As you can see, this is actually at 0%, so I can let it charge. So, but let me do this. Let me take my phone, make sure I don't have anything that is important here, which is at a 95% charge. We'll just pop this off, and we'll put, and my phone has a case on it, so we'll go ahead and pops on just as easy. And as you can see, there we go. We've got a charge. I got the iPhone 12. I charged this thing up and I let this sit on. It's at about 8% right now, and it's been sitting on the phone for 15-20 minutes. So as you can see, it is charging fairly well. And of course, it just can sit there. As you can see, we've got full charge. All the lights are up, and if I want to turn it off, all I have to do is hold down on the button, and that turns it off. And of course, the charge is off as well. But then if you want to turn it on, you just hit the button, and now it's back charging and sitting at 8%. So it like I said, 15 watts here. It won't charge as fast as if you put it on a cable, but if you're on the go, this is perfect for that, because once again, it just sits here, and no problems here. So perfect for a plane, perfect for Perfect for a car ride or anything like that where USB cables are not available. Once again, this is the TORRAS Ostand power bank, 15 watt power bank charging, and of course 10,000 milliamp battery inside there. What do you think? What do you use for your charging? Let me know over at Geekazine, youtube.com/Geekazine, where you can like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification so you know all those YouTubers get their wings when that bell rings. So until next time, you guys geek out and take care.